First, alright, assalamu alaikum, bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First and foremost, do you see how freaking dark it is outside? It's 9 p.m. G. It's 9 freaking p.m. Oh, alhamdulillah, bro. Like I'm actually feeling like Mike Tyson on Muhammad Ali, honestly, because it's so, dark. It's 9 p.m. I didn't make dinner. I prayed Maghrib outside on the grass. You can see this grass, and yeah, I mean grinding, brother. Just grinding. Like first day of MMA. Actually, I was planning to go to some boxing classes, but then I realized that boxing is only like on Tuesday, and on Saturday. And because today is Wednesday, I think it was MMA. So MMA is basically like mixed martial arts. MMA has some boxing in it. MMA has some kicks and like karate in it. So it doesn't really matter. Let me reveal my face for those who are first time here watching. Like I was actually, signing up for boxing, but then I realized that boxing is not today. See, boxing and MMA is at the same time, just the days are different. Yesterday I tried to come here. I'm not gonna say what kind of problems appeared, but problems appeared. Some problems with money and stuff, financing. Okay, whatever. Boxing. Why boxing? Because first of all, I know average boxer makes less money than average MMA fighter, but who cares? Because we are not trying to be average here. We are trying to be legends. We are trying to be different ones. We are trying to be animals. We are trying to be the ones who create stories, the legends like Muhammad Ali, Mike Tyson. I knew very few UFC fighters, like maybe except John Jones and Conor McGregor, who are very great UFC fighters. You see, UFC, not boxing, not like it's actually MMA, mixed martial arts, but we say UFC, right? We don't say like, okay, whatever. It's branding problems, identity problems. What I can say, I sucked. I definitely sucked. I was doing just 100 push-ups every day while I was at home. I wasn't really doing, it's like home gym, but nothing more than that, right? I was just doing 100 push-ups every day. I had some, YouTube videos which I was following, calisthenics and this kind of videos. But, mostly there is like nothing which is really about like martial arts, any kind of martial arts. I'm really sorry for being so I don't know. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and my hands are aching and smelling because of the gloves. Whatever. I'm really sorry, but I just needed to document this day. Today is Wednesday, 14th of February 2024. First day going outside somewhere to try to get stronger and get better. Yes, it wasn't boxing classes, it was MMA, but first we trained hands, then we trained kicks, and then we trained some jiu-jitsu and stuff. But whatever, I'm happy to learn anything. Peace. Look at that. No one is outside. Honestly, only God knows where am I. Inshallah, I will find a way to get into underground. As soon as you are in this line of this underground, it's only just a matter of time how fast am I gonna get home. Even my mom is not at home, so yeah. I wish I could have showed you. It's 10 p.m. It is bad time of some people out there. Bad time. I'm on the way home and I didn't make my dinner and I didn't pray at Isha yet. Maybe I will sleep at 11:30. You know, waking up at 5 a.m. If I'm gonna go to the gym at 7, bro, I don't even know why I subscribed for waking up at 5 a.m. 1 year challenge. Like, I mean, everything would have been so much damn easier if I wouldn't done this, you know, not waking up at 5 a.m. challenge, because all other challenges which I'm doing, DMing people every day, vlogging every day, even no 5 challenges doing pretty well, alhamdulillah. Maybe 7 out of 12 days, in last 12 days, 7 out of them was successful days. 5, yes, I get it, astaghfirullah, I relapsed, but 7 of them are wins. And today, I wish I didn't relapse earlier. Yeah,